From the box office settings section of your dashboard, choose Payment Systems from the side menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to either link an existing account or create a new one to receive payments. When your account is connected, you will be prompted to set Stripe as your default payment method for your events. You can choose to accept other payment types including Klarna, but these must also be set up in your Stripe account to show to your customer. To connect your payment processor to your event, head to your event and click Edit Event and Tickets. Scroll to the bottom of your event page. Select the checkbox for your chosen payment method where it says Customer Payment Method. The payment methods you select will show for your buyer on the checkout page when they buy their tickets.